Guess what, dear?
Nani?
Special delivery. Look alive.
Oh, すごい! Ooh. I'm gonna try these Japanese potato chip. Now, they call it pure potato in its original sea salt flavor. Freshly cooked, crisp and elegant. Extra thick sliced potatoes. Are you extra or are you basic? Now, let's open this and see how it tastes. Mm. Smells amazing. I always have to smell everything before I... Yep, smells like good quality potato chips.
Wow!
I have to always smell it before I eat it. Are you the same? Comment down below and let me know. Woo! Look how thick these are. Wow, すごい. いただきます. Oishii. Think fast. Oh! Enchiloso? Karai?
It's more zesty than spicy.
Oh yeah?
It has a rich and flavorful taste to it.
Ah.
Wow!
Oh my god.
Wow!
Yeah?
It makes my taste buds tingle.
Ah. A good after school snack.
Mm-hmm.
Ready, fight!
Okay, so you tried both bags. Which bag is your favorite so far?
In my personal opinion,
Yeah.
this strong potato chips bag that I have in my hand is my favorite.
Yeah? Is it because it's karai? Like it's a little spicy or...
No, it's because I think it has a tad more flavor than the other chip bag.
Okay, see, I like the regular potato chip. That's actually a little thicker. And very subtle, but yet tasty. We'll have to eventually try this flavor too. Stay tuned to see what we do with these chips. Subscribe and hit the follow.